Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Honda Odyssey. This four-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 102,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.